Buddy, what's this right here?
A is for...
What is this?
What's that?
Apple.
That's
Good.
right.
Apple. What's this?
Apple.
That's
B
right.
is for... B is for...
What's this?
Apple.
A ball. Good. And a balloon.
What is this right here? What's that?
C is for cow.
What sound does this guy
Cow
make?
make.
What sound does he make?
Apple.
That's right, that is an apple. We'll corroborate, and we'll show the home audience that he's actually referring to an apple and a balloon
And a ball.
and a ball. What sound does this guy make? Can you make a cow sound?
Thank you. Thank you. Can Cookie Monster have a hit?
Uh-oh. He's out of control.
Wanna give Cookie Monster a kiss? Cookie Monster, shh. Can Cookie Monster have a kiss?
See, he's not moving around.
Wait, he's gonna kiss. Mwah.
Good boy!
Good boy!
Mm-hmm.
Good boy. Do you want to see what else you have, Landon?
Not really.
What
He
should we
says I
open?
have other toys here.
Not really.
What should we open? What's this? To Landon from Grandma and Grandpa Jim.
Nice.
Landon,
Good over there.
Drinking water.
open this.
Bring some guzzling sound. Hey buddy, what's that right there?
What's this? Thank you. What's this? Poop. Poop. Ooh.
Oh
Ooh, a fire truck. Look.
Nice.
Very cool. Do you want to open it this time? That is cool. Look at that. The rocket.
What's that
You're
rocket?
good. Careful, Nathan. Don't let it fall on you. Nathan.
I'll set it down here, bud.
Then I'll open something else.
Turn to remove and discard.
You. Big A, little a. What begins with A? And Annie's alligator. A. Now what letter? Big B, little b. What begins with B? Barber, baby, bubbles, and a bumblebee.
I think you pressed the head down.
Ooh. Nathan, what's that? What's that? Look.
What's going on there? Oh, there you go.
Oh, look at it.
Wait over.
Get back here! You do my bidding!
Thank you. Thank you. Uh-oh. It's going. Ooh, a ladder.
What is that
Loves it. He loves it. He loves it.
Ah.
You like your fire truck?
Why don't you do some gifts for other people? I'll open this up for him.